Hi everyone, I'm Sherika Hapuarachchi. This is my YouTube channel Math Plus. Today we are going to learn fractions, right? Now in fractions, today we are going to learn to identify which is larger. So when you get two fractions, to identify which is larger, right? We'll move to the first slide, right? Which is larger? I have given two fractions. My first fraction is 3 out of 8 and my second fraction is 5 out of 6. Now I want to identify which is larger. Now there is an very easy way of finding. Now we know there are many ways to find it. One way you can get the LCM and then you can identify which is large. Now you don't want to find the LCM. If you are going to use this way, it's very easy. Within few seconds you can get the answer, right? Let's see what we are going to do it here, right? My first fraction, it's 3 out of 8 and my second fraction, it's 5 out of 6. So what you have to do, you do kind of a cross multiplication here. See the way how I have drawn the arrows. Now you have to multiply like this. See, 8 times 5, top of 5 you write the answer. 8 times 5, it's 40. Okay, the next one, 6 times 3. 6 times 3, it's 18. Now you can identify top of 3, I have 18 and top of 5, I have 40. Now out of 18 and 40, which is larger? 40. Therefore, this is the larger fraction. That is why I said this way of finding, it's very easy. What you have to do, you have to multiply, right? Now what I have done here, in the first fraction denominator, I have multiplied by the next fraction numerator, denominator into numerator. The same thing I have done, the first fraction numerator I have multiplied by the second fraction denominator, right? So then according to this, my larger fraction is 5 out of 6, right? Let's do another example. Right, this is my second example. Now here my first fraction is 4 out of 6 and my second fraction is 2 out of 5. You do the same thing like the previous one, okay? Right. Let's multiply. 6 times 2, 12, you write it, top of 2. 5 times 4, it's 20, you write it, top of 4. So, according to this, 20 or 12, which is larger? 20. Therefore, this is my larger fraction. This is very easy for you to understand. And for the exam even, you can use this method. Okay, right. Let's move to the next slide. Right. Imagine if you get a mixed number like this, right? Now, we'll imagine this is my mixed number. 2 and 3 out of 4, 2 and 1 out of 2. My whole number is similar. So, what you have to do first, you better make it as improper. Now, you all know how do we make it as improper. My first fraction is, my mixed number is this, 2 and 3 over 4. Now, how do we make it as an improper fraction? You multiply these two and add the numerator. So that's the way we do, right? We'll follow the same steps. So then 4 times 2, it's 8. 8 plus 3, right? 8 plus 3, see how the way I'm taking. 4 times 2, it's 8. 8 plus 3, it's 11. So I have to write 11 as my numerator, and remember, we don't change the denominator, we'll get the same denominator. So according to my first mixed number, I'll get 11 over 4. So similar thing you do to the second one as well. 2 and 1 out of 2, so that even I can multiply these two and add this, right? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, I'm getting 5. And the same denominator, which is 2. Now I can use the same method what we have used in the previous slides, right? So 2 times 11 it's 22. So I have written it top of 11. And 5 times 4 it's 20. I have written it top of 5. Now I can identify which is the large one. That is 11 over 4. That means this is my larger fraction, right? So that is how we identify. First you make it. Now if you get a mixed number, you make it as improper. After that you follow the same step. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share with your friends, and please include your comments as well. We'll meet next time.